Hey everyone, it's Kyle here from Kyle MTB. In today's video, we're going to be doing a bike check on the 2020 Trek Rosco 7. I'll also be interviewing Jonathon, who also has a Rosco. To start off with the frame is Alpha Gold aluminum, has integrated cables with a spare for a front derailleur, Bontrager grips, SRAM NX shifter, Bontrager dropper seat post, 750mm bars, Shimano MT200 hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors up front and 160 in the rear. It's an 11 to 50 tooth cassette with SRAM SX. I have a SRAM NX derailleur installed though. The RockShox fork on the bike with 120mm of travel with optional lockout and air suspension. Maxxis Recon Plus tires, they're 27.5s by 2.8s. I'm here with Jonathon. Jonathon has a Rosco 7. What's your favorite thing about the bike, Jonathon?
My favorite thing about the bike is the plus size tire on it because you get a lot more control over the trails. You can get over a bunch of rocks and roots. You have a fun time on it basically.
What's your second favorite thing about the bike, Jonathon?
My second favorite thing would probably be the fork on the bike because you can adjust it to your weight. It also has a lockout, so you're more efficient on like longer trails, and it also has a different rebound for the fork.
Anything else you want to tell me about the bike, Jonathon?
I've had this bike for about a month now. There's really little to no problems about it, and I'd probably recommend it to beginner to intermediate bike riders.
I also like the plus size tires. They're very nice for keeping good grip on the loose trails and going over roots and stuff. But I would say my second favorite thing is the dropper post. It's very nice to have and convenient in getting up tough climbs. The Rosco 7 feels very stable on the trails due to the long reach, but is still reasonably nimble. The Rosco 7 was my first bike, and I think it's the perfect hardtail for a beginner to intermediate rider who is ready to ride mountain bikes. I personally have put this bike through quite a bit of abuse by crashing multiple times on it. The only things that I've broke on this bike was the dropper lever and knocked the derailleur out of tune a couple of times.